Hello, my friends. How are you today? Good? Great. Fun 3. Today our activity is super easy. Okay? On your book, page 22, we have here number. What number is this? There you go. 1. Number 10. Good job. Number 6. And number 3. There you go. And right here, we have some objects. We have some armbands, some snorkel, one suitcase, and some shelves. What you have to do is count each one of them and match with the correct number, okay? Let's see. How many armbands we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have to match with the number 6. Okay? Now you are gonna do the other ones by yourself. I want to see, okay? Take a picture and send it to me because this activity is super easy. Okay? Bye-bye. See you later.